Hi, I'm Christina. I'm one of the nurse practitioners for Venus and Venom MediSpa, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about Sculptra. I'm going to go through Sculptra and what we're going to do with Kelly today, okay? So Kelly's had a couple of sessions of Sculptra, so we're finishing up. At this point, we're going to go in through her temple, a little bit on the zygoma for her cheekbone. We'll go along her jawline. I'll go into this area, the preauricular area, so it helps pull things back. The Sculptra give great results with facial volume loss. So areas like your cheeks, your temple, your jawline, given more superficially, it can improve the integrity of the skin. It's great for overall skin firmness and thickness. The way Sculptra helps with volume and wrinkles and skin firmness, it's by building your own collagen for a natural, long-lasting effect. When I inject deeper, it mimics bone, but when I go closer to the surface, it helps the integrity of the skin and it gives that beautiful Sculptra glow. So today we're gonna work on both of those things and touching up and finishing up the areas that we have with Kelly. With Sculptra, it's more a marathon and not a race. I always think of it like when you're planting grass. When you throw the seeds, you see them at first, then the seeds disappear and go into the dirt. There's nothing there for a week or two, and then little by little, the grass starts to grow. The same thing happens with Sculptra. You leave, so seeing the seeds is like all of that volume you leave with, and then in 7 to 10 days, it disappears. Your body starts making collagen and elastin around the Sculptra, and within 6 to 8 weeks, we start to see something. Then we do session number 2, and we space it so that we can see exactly how much you're getting so we don't overfill you. Since it builds your own collagen, results look natural, and they keep improving over time, which gives you that nice glow for about 25 months once we finish your sessions. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to see if Sculptra is right for you, contact the spa, get your consult, and we'll figure it out together.